Good morning, Jake.
Morning.
It is 8 o'clock and it is Friday the 30th. I'm about to leave for the airport in about 15 minutes, so we're a little bit pushed here. But last night in the shop, I saw two drinks that we don't sell in England. We have got, I'm out of breath because we're just running. We have got Coca Cola lemon. I'm assuming that's lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in England we have Fanta lemon. I'm 99.9% sure we don't sell that in England. And then we've got Coca Cola Dream World limited edition flavour. So I thought I'd just have a taste and just see if I reckon they should get these in England. I might write a little letter to Coca Cola. Look at that. Oh, did you hear that sound? I reckon that'd be nice over an ice cold glass, do you reckon?
Yeah, that'd be lovely.
Cool.
Good to you.
Cool. Yeah, that's not. Lose that down into the water. Yeah, no, that's nice. It's better than Fanta lemon.
Yeah.
It is actually better than Fanta lemon. Yeah. It's got more of a Schweppes. What's that drink called? Schweppes.
Schweppes.
Yeah, it's like a lemonade-y lemon kind of taste. I have the word. Yeah. Yeah, that's really, really nice. And it's 0 sugar. I'm assuming that's sugar in Spanish. And then, I'm not really sure what that's called. I've done one before saying it was marshmallow flavour, but it was by the artist Marshmallow.
Yeah.
So I got slated for that, but yeah, let's have a taste of this one. Come up close, hear that? Cool. Cool. It smells like what's it? Tutti Fruities.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, it tastes like a what are they? Capri Suns.
Yeah.
What flavour? Obviously, you have orange. I can't
You've got
remember.
the multi-vitamin one. Multi-fruits.
Yeah, like a multi-fruits kind of passion fruit. I love the branding on that though. But yeah, I would
Rate it.
that is very nice, but yeah, it's not really my kind of thing. I'd still give it an 8, and then this one, that's got to be a 10 out of 10. Coca-Cola's new branding's sick. Could have done with a coffee first thing, but I'll wait to get to the airport.
Look at that view.
Check it. Oh mate, look at the sunrise. That is unreal. I did say to you I thought it would come up at 8:30 because I saw the sky. Yeah. Nice.
Nice part of the world, eh?
How peaceful is it as well? Yeah, so we're in Benalmadena.
Benalmadena, Port Marina.
That's it. Yeah, been here for the last 6 days, flying home back to the boys. Oh look, Spider-Man up there, look. He's not trying to rob it, is he? There you go. Right, Dad's coming to pick me up, take me to the airport. I'll rate both of them to be fair, but that one's the winner.
Happy days.